Happy morning, friends. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. Welcome to the Monday Morning Motivation episode number 8. Today we are going to discuss about what is the one word you own. In other words, what is the one thing you are known for? Let me take an example. You are working in a company and you are known for your Excel skills. You are extremely good in Excel. Even a normal Excel sheet, you can convert it into an analytical tool. Any problem related to Excel, the entire company, people come to you and you solve for them, and you have created multiple tools using Excel, then you have become a valuable employee. So develop one skill where you are extremely good at and everybody comes to you. Some of you may ask me, Subbu, I don't know which skill I have to develop. Is there any tips? Let me quickly give you 3 tips. If you want to develop your one skill you're known for, the first thing is, remember that it has to be useful to you, to others, your colleagues, and to the entire organization. Okay, it's not only for useful to you, it should be help everybody in the organization. Second thing, it should have a money impact. What do you mean by that? The skill you are developing should be able to increase revenue to your company, or it should reduce cost to the company, or it should save some time, or it should increase productivity. Somewhere directly or indirectly, it should have a money impact. Only then it's useful. The third one is, it should be relevant in the years to come. Next 5 years, 10 years, it should still be relevant. If you're an entrepreneur or a solopreneur, then what is the one thing your company is known for? Are you known for speed of execution? Are you known for design like Apple? Are you known for price like Walmart? Or are you able to cater to the large volume in a short period of time? What are you known for? So friends, develop a skill what you are known for. Work every day to improve that skill. You will feel happy and have a great life, very useful life. Thank you, and see you next week on Monday Morning Motivation.